Dang lang lang dang lang lang dang lang 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 dang lang lang dang lang lang dang lang 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 lang. Yeehaw! Let's go. Yeah, balls and throat come to mind. Things like that. See, I'm not afraid at all. I'm not afraid at all. All right, there's a look at the numbers. Progress. This is the lesser of the two evils trail. Helen, forgive me, her last name trail. As we get up here a little bit in altitude, some larger pieces of granite we're gonna traverse here. Kind of a first little peek where we can see outside. Stop taking my blood. About 3,000 feet right now. As myself and the bugs ascend. And just a couple feet up gives you that view of Lake Katahdin. Penobscot, maybe? The river comes down around here and it's got numerous, couple branches to it, forks. Yeah, man, we're getting in there now. The wind, man. These bugs out of my damn nostril. Just don't get in the ear, dude. That is freaking nightmarish. Okay, 3,700 feet. Getting excited because I know something cool is in front of me. Remember Bug from, what was that, Uncle Buck? The Bug. Close to the start of a ridge here. See which way we get up this thing. We're getting into the beef over now. I would say nothing too nutty. We had a little plateau right here. No longer. I think it's a pretty good time here. Catching some boys up the ridge here. I say we ascend in style for a moment. Okay. Quick look back at the ridge we're coming up. A couple people down there. Look around. And what we got ahead? Here comes some clouds rolling through. The butte. This is called exiting the chimney, I guess, and this will be the knife's edge coming up. We're definitely mountain climbing here, so take your time, boy. Look at what the hell is it, Pomona? Or I don't know, the mountain that we just summited prior to, 49, whatever, the ridge we came up. I look back at it. How do I feel? Pretty good, man. I feel pretty good. But let's put this away and focus. Side A of the album. And side B. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that was sketchy. Yeah, that was sketchy. Focus. Hey, little cabin. Hey, little cabin way down there. Quite the little gander there, huh? Ew. Yeah, balls and throat come to mind. Things like that. Sorry, the picture's not better. You know what I mean. It's getting a little breezy up here. Getting a little breezy. Walk on by, clouds. Walk on by, brothers. Glory to God, Jesus. Look at that stuff. Thank you for everything. Ooh. Hey, little cloud deck. Hey, little cloud deck. Downdraft here. Hey, little spider. They're everywhere. Summit spider. Summit spider. You're probably not smart to have the phone out right now. These gentlemen right up here, they're finishing up their 2,000-mile journey, starting in Georgia on the Appalachian Trail. So that's pretty cool to run into them, man. That's got to be pretty damn emotional. Like one guy said he did get emotional at the top up here, which we are summiting. Look back at some scary ass shit. Oh, cool.